Hello, fourth graders. This is Mr. A, and we are looking at page 2 of our homework and reviewing how to capitalize and when to capitalize nouns. Okay, so when we're talking about nouns, we said nouns are animals, people, places, things, or ideas. Okay. Now, based on this information, we have to break nouns into two groups. Okay? One group is proper, and the other group is common. So, common means something that is often happening. Common is something that you see everywhere. Common could also means general. Okay? You're talking about any animal, any place, anything, any idea. Proper is more specific, is more honorific. Like you're showing respect and honor to someone. And in the English language, we show respect by capitalizing the first letter. You capitalize the first letter of the person's name. Okay? So, like in English, it is everybody deserves respect when we're addressing them. So, uh, when I came to the United States, I used to write my name with a small O, Omar, because I am like, oh, I want to be humble. I don't want to be showing off. But that's not where we're coming from. We're coming off honoring someone, giving someone respect. So we say Omar with a capital O, okay? Or um, for example, if of the common examples where we have to use a proper noun is God, right? If you are talking about God, specific God, um, Christianity, Islam, Judaism, or any monotheistic religion, you believe in one God, you use a capital uh, G. However, if we're talking about Greek gods, because the Greeks had so many gods, so you're not specifying any of them, you use a small g because it's general, okay? Same thing with countries, like, okay, I'm going to a place, okay, I'm going to I'll spend time in the desert, okay? Desert is general, could be anywhere, but if you say Sahara desert, it's a big desert in Africa, you need to use a capital letter in the beginning to um, show respect. So here we're not talking about a person. Do you notice? We're respecting a place. So whenever we are specifying a place, you know, we have to use proper noun. Okay. Same thing with the things, like Nike, Nike, or or Adidas. Those are specific brands. You have to use the proper noun and capitalize the first letter of the name. Okay? Um, those are called proper nouns. Common nouns, those are any places or any thing or any person or any animal. You don't you write it with a small letter because it's not specified. Okay? So on page 2 of your homework, you are reading the lesson so you remember it. And they had a thinking question. The thinking question is saying, does the noun name any person, place, or thing? Does it say someone in particular, or is it just general? So if it's in particular, specific, then you have to use proper noun and capitalize the first letter. If it's any person, thing, or people or idea, then use the common noun, and that's don't capitalize the first letter. Okay, so for that exercise, you are uh, writing next to the sentence whether it is common or proper. Okay, so I think this homework is very easy. So please do it properly so you can get a good grade on your homework. All right, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, fourth graders.